Hi, my name is Hung, and I'm here at the Gemini 3 Hackathon to develop a application called Agent Krimini. And Agent Krimini is an application for campus safety that campus police or crime analysts and even students or faculty members at the university or at any college or high school can use to detecting safety areas for evacuation and detecting real-time crime threats that are happening every day on campus. And here's the demo for the app. Great, so let's start this application. First off, we're gonna wait for the applications to load. And we are basically at the application itself. And so we have the technical safety dashboard to overlook any anomaly or any risk at the university. And let me open up this part. So I'm currently at my University of Houston at the building, the Philip Guthrie Hoffman Hall, right here, and then we will have these part of the database and different buildings that are around this place. For the most part, this is the campus itself, and we are gonna looking over some of the buildings here. So this building here is the Student Center South, and this building right here is the library, which is not loading due to my surveillance has been resolved, but we're gonna try to test it out at the Philip Philip Guthrie Hoffman Hall, and this map is run using OpenStreetBox. So we also have right here what I was showing earlier is the like crime alert logs where the students can view any incidents that happens or any surveillance scan at the university, and depending on whether is still a pending investigation or whether is a confirmed scene that happens at the crime at the this time and this date, it will be confirmed as a crime that happens on campus, and whether this is resolved, it will be either purged or it could just be staying as a resolved crime scene. We also have here a central watch agent that would overlook any campus abnormally and make sure the safety of the students will be at this will be enhanced with multiple police on the scene. We also have the the reasoning chatbot assistant, which would help using the alert logs to confirm the locations and or navigating a different route to going to a safe place. We also have a voice agent, and I could share with you how this feature works that helps us navigate to the place in case we need to talk quickly and act quickly. And we also have a map overview of our location. So I'm gonna make an SOS application. But first off, we have to detect our nearest threat. We're currently at the MD Anderson, or I would say the nearest stadium is TDECU, and I'm gonna write down one of the crime scene that happens. So there's a robbery happening at the gate, at the stadium tailgate, at stadium tailgate. I'm also gonna copy this because we're gonna need that for our SOS transmission, and the department would inform us about what crime scene has happened or not. So we're gonna transmit this, and it would happen to say the alert has been transmitted into the database of our crime log, and whether it is confirmed by our campers. We are going to check using our alert database, and it says that that there's an unconfirmed robbery happened at the stadium. So if we're gonna confirm that there is a real threat, we can use the reasoning chatbot to help us navigate the, the location. Ask it to navigate to the nearest building around this location. So it will ask us to go to Lamar Fleming. Yes, that's great. Um, but whether we have the map implementation, it will show us a link to the address of the map. That, as you can see, there's a science and research building. Also, this science building is nearby the stadium, which is a few minute, like 5 minutes walk, that we can get to safety and evacuate from the scene. As you can still see here, that there's a campus risk rating, but intentionally is the campus safety rating that is supposedly helping us to navigate and to see that we are still at the threatening location. So right now, as I'm moving around, you can see that the map is also pivot my location towards where the building was at. And right now, as I'm confirming that I was nearby the threat locations, I have to move around and find a quick spot to hide or going to another building in order to find my own safety. But with that, we can try to market, like if the crime analyst can handle the situation by itself, we can mark it as this resolved, and after the situation has been resolved, we can see and check if whether our location is still safe to be at. So yes, great. So you can see that the location has been resolved, and as of now, the logs will temporarily purge this problem. So as soon as it's resolved, we can see that we can purge the situations, and we can say that using that the AI model can utilizing all kinds of database log with a reasoning strategy with an agent orchestration that would help with crime maneuvering, safety navigations, as well as analyzing the risk on campus. And so this application not only great for crime analysts or any campus police and students or any faculty member can utilize for the safety, but also checking their location at all times, marking any confirmed or unconfirmed risk in order for the police department to help resolve these situations and keep their campus safe. We can also we can also test the AI voice link. We can also test the AI voice link features from Agent Krimini to help us navigate to any safety location and detect any real-time alerts as well. Hi, is anyone there?
Yes, Agent Krimini here. How can I assist you?
I have a problem. We have a robbery at the Student Center South, and we need to navigate to a safety location. It's a safe location. Please.
Understood. Remain calm. Immediately evacuate from the Student Center South area. Proceed to the nearest safe building or designated evacuation point. Contact University of Houston Police at 713-743-3333 immediately.
Heard. Is there anything else I can do?
Prioritize personal safety. Follow any instructions from university officials or police. I will monitor the situation.
Thank you, Gemini.
Stay safe. Updates will be provided as available.
And that's for the demo of the application Agent Krimini. Thank you.